We are Kenhtè Mohawk people of the Haudenosaunee, also known as the Haudenosaunee or Six Nations Confederacy. We are part of the Mohawk Nation that spans the western border of Quebec, northern sections of New York State, and southwestern Ontario. We are stewards of the land, and we have a strong relationship and connection to Tyendinaga Mohawk, our Mother Earth. We are grateful that she continues to provide us with everything in the natural world that sustains us. We are resilient keepers of our knowledge, our history, and our ways of knowing and being through generations and years of colonization.